Hi guys, thank you for joining me again for part 7. This video will cover the tiling and the painting of the bedrooms. Please like and subscribe as we continue on my shipping container build. First I needed to waterproof the bathroom, ready for tiling. So I paid a professional tiler to do the bathroom floor, and he needed to raise the floor to allow for the runoff for the shower. This part was disappointing, as I didn't realize I would have such a big step, and when it was finished, the water still didn't drain in the shower properly. I guess you live and learn. I was happy with the tiling of the floor though, and I guess with a container home being uneven, it was a difficult job for him. Now it was my turn to start the tiling. I made sure to use the right protective gear before cutting tiles. I found it easier to use a grinder for some of them, rather than a tile cutter. What a nightmare, as the feature tiles, which had mesh backing on them, still slipped, so I had to use spacers on them too. I find the tiling system with the screw-in spacer guides are very handy to keep the tiles even. It's not perfect, and this wall in particular has been a nightmare too, but it's getting there. My mum's dementia had been starting to get worse, so I had to start bringing her with me now. Even though she had dementia, she would still tell me what she thought I was doing wrong, and would even give suggestions that were good. She didn't like to get in the car to go, but once in the car she enjoyed the drive and would never sleep in the car, just looked at the scenery. The last wall now ready for grouting. So this is the shower. I know others could have done around the fittings better, but I did the best I could, and it's all a learning experience for me. The all-important bath that won't get moved again. I had to show the tap running, as I was so pleased with the fittings. The vanity, which is black with glitter flakes in it. I don't know if it shows up here. The vanity with the mirror now in place. And the toilet. Meanwhile, I've started to make my bedroom cupboards for above the bed storage, trying to make the most of the space I have. Next, to start the painting of my room. The second coat looked much better. When I looked outside the kitchen window, I saw this little fellow. He's a water monitor, I think. Oh no, sand monitor. This is the second one we've seen, but they are so quick I didn't get the other one on camera. We have amazing wildlife up here. Back to the painting, this time Mum's room. You can't really tell from the photo, but I sponged a pearl paint over the base, and when it catches the light it looks shiny. Next we put in the kitchen cupboards with the help of Ivan the carpenter. The island bench. They look even better with doors on. I designed a niche for the microwave to save some space too. Now the bench top is on. Starting to look good. Taps and sink are now in place for the island area, and the laundry sink. Back to tiling, but this time the kitchen. I used the white tiles I had left over from the bathroom and bought the feature tile from a salvage yard. Lastly was the kitchen niche. I bought these tiles from the salvage yard as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, remember to like and subscribe and share with others. Thank you for watching.